快咁睇埋第三、第四段。咁睇第三、第四段之前咧，我哋要睇翻第二段呢個 summarize 呢個位嘅。嗱，佢呢度咧，佢呢個交代嗰個時序或者各樣嘢嘅邏輯咧，都有少少複雜。我哋留意下啦。嗱，首先咧就講到佢就話啦，喺今時今日嘅社會咧，周圍行嚟行去咧係一個好少嘅自由，亦即係話咧，啲人咧係好少咁樣 walk around， 好少咗啦，好少咁做嘅。咁但係咧，佢話縱使咧成個紐約嗰個罪案率咧，其實都係下跌咗嘅。OK，嗱，理論上個 crime rate 下跌咗，咪啲人行嚟行去嘅自由咪應該提升嘅，係嘛？咁但係佢唔係提升喎，啲人都好少行嚟行去，即係啲年青人咧都好少喺條街度徘徊。OK，縱使嗰個罪案率下跌咗。OK，咁嘅原因咧，其實佢解釋到咧就係因為咧呢啲而家嘅年青人咧，啲 teens 同埋啲 pre-teens 咧，就好常咧就會被 hover over 咗。留意呢度有個 ed， 咁所以咧呢句咧其實係一個 passive 嚟嘅。呢個係一個 passive voice 嚟嘅。咩意思咧？即係話原來呢啲小朋友咧係被 hovered over 咗，亦即係話佢哋被佢哋嘅家長嘅監管啊。家長嘅監管係多咗嘅，咁亦都係因為家長嘅監管多咗，咁所以咧令到呢啲年青人咧就少咗，佢就好少咗呢啲喺條街行嚟行去嘅自由啦。縱使個罪案率下跌 ，OK， 咁正因為佢哋係被家長 hover over 咗，咁所以咧就令到佢哋 less conducive to 令到佢哋冇咁有益去做一個adventure 啦，即係佢哋少咗去做冒險呢個行為。adventure 係冒險啦，係咪？或者係 adventure stories 啦。咁即係話咧，今時今日嘅父母係過於保護小朋友，令到佢哋少咗去冒險。縱使今時今日紐約嘅罪案率係下跌咗嘅。OK， 嗱，咁所以呢一段咧，亦都係被譽為 DSE 其中最難去解釋嘅其中一段。OK， 咁呢個如果大家明咗呢度講咩嘅話咧，咁你就會知道佢呢度下一個係講咩啦。嗱，因為咧，that's why 呢個概念咧，點解我一定要做呢度？因為佢呢度講到 that's why so many of them are reading the Hunger Games。嗱，佢呢度正正解釋緊，題外話呢個字係讀 perhaps， 或許係咪？或許即係未必咁解。係嘛 ？Maybe，OK， 但係有第二個讀音嘅，叫做 preps， 得唔得？就咁讀個 R 音，唔讀個 PE， 我哋可以讀成 preps 或者係 perhaps 兩個音都得。OK，preps， that's why so many of them are reading The Hunger Games, a trilogy of novels by Suzanne Collins。好啦，嚟喺度講乜嘢咧？佢就話嗱，亦都係因為呢個原因。嗱，呢度其實佢暗示係乜嘢？乜嘢係因為呢個原因咧？呢個原因就係啲年青人係被過度保護啦。咁呢啲過度被保護嘅年青人咧，就好少去冒險。咁正正因為好少冒險咧，就會令到佢哋多咗睇冒險嘅故事。佢哋想去探索下呢啲嘅故事。好啦，佢就舉咗個例子。個例子咧就係 The Hunger Games， 而 Hunger Games 係咩嚟㗎？A trilogy， 一個係三連嘅嗱 ，try 咧例如 triangle 啦，就係三嘅意思嘛，係咪？咁佢呢度講咧就話一連三個系列嘅 novels 係小説啦，係咪？亦即係 fiction 啦。OK， 亦即係 fiction 啦，係咪 novels 啊 ？By Suzanne Collins。原來咧亦都係因為咁嘅原因啲人少咗去冒險，佢哋咧就中意睇呢啲冒險故事啦。其中一個例子就係 Hunger Games， 咁Suzanne Collins 啦。咁呢個都係一個好出名嘅小説嚟嘅。好啦，咁而佢就開始描繪啦。嗱，大家唔使擔心喎，呢個 comma 咧，去到呢一個位咧，其實都係描繪緊上面呢本書。OK， 嗱，好多同學處理唔到咧，係因為佢睇唔明啲 comma。如果你將啲 comma break down 佢呢個位，呢度有一個 comma 啦，呢度有一個 comma 啦。咁其實呢兩個 comma 咧就包含住 a trilogy of novels by Suzanne Collins， 就形容呢個 Hunger Games 嘅。咁而接下來咧， which 呢個位咧，亦都係形容呢個 trilogy 嘅，亦即係話呢個 trilogy 即係形容呢個 Hunger Games 啦，係咪？好啦，咁呢個 trilogy 係點啊？係描繪緊一個將來嘅北美係被切割成12個區份。OK。Every year, 2 children from each district are forced to fight to death in a televised contest called the Hunger Games, which are held in a huge outdoor arena. The winner of the contest is the last child left alive. 呢度講咩呢？佢就描繪下呢個 Hunger Games 係點啦。每一年呢，2個小朋友嚟自每一個區嘅2個小朋友都會被強迫啦，forced to 被強迫啦去作戰，係嘛？作戰到死為止。而喺呢個過程當中咧，佢係會被 televise 嘅。嗱，佢呢個咧 televise 即係一個動詞啦，就係電視啦，係咪會被播到上電視啦？會被播到上電視一個比賽啦。咁而家個比賽就叫 Hunger Games 啦。好啦，跟住佢又出 comma 啦。嗱，留意啊，記住我哋睇閱讀理解咧，時刻都係望住 comma 後邊嗰嚿嘢。好多時如果都係名詞或者係如果有呢個叫做 relative clause 咧，都係描繪翻前面呢個名詞嘅啫。好啦，咁佢就話呢個 Hunger Games 咧，其實就係每一年嘅乜嘢係時刻都係喺一個好大型嘅戶外嘅場景嗰度舉行嘅。OK， 咁而最後嘅贏家咧就會係死剩嗰一個啦，即係因為佢要去作戰到死嘛，係咪？佢話呢度要 fight to death 嘛，係咪？作戰到死。而佢呢度咧就係話要去作戰到剩翻最後嗰個啦。咁啊，即係話咧死唔去嗰個咧就係一個贏家啦。OK， 好，跟住 The fervently awaited third installment in the trilogy, Mockingjay, will be published by Scholastic in August, and there are currently in print more than 2.3 million copies of the previous 2 books, The Hunger Games and Catching Fire. 好，有題外話，如果我哋見到 ly 呢個字 ，OK， 例如舉咗個例子啊。好啦，呢度 OK， 立即英文係咩？立即係 immediate 係咪 ？immediate 咁 immediate 咧有個 t 噶嘛，咁如果我哋加 ly 咧 immediately 咧個 t 音咧係唔發嘅，一般嚟講，我哋嘅 immediately 係嘛，唔讀個 t 音。好，我哋望住咯，呢個都係啦 ，currently 我哋盡量都唔發個 t 音，得唔得？盡量都唔發個 t 音。好，呢個又係啦 fervently 係嘛，我哋唔會讀成 fervently 嘅。OK， 好一個好熱切期待嘅第三個系列，即係佢1連3集噶嘛嘅第3個系列 ，OK， 第3個系列叫做 Mockingjay， 就會喺8月份嗰度出版。咁而家呢一刻咧就已經有嗱呢個 million 就 2.3 嗱，我提一提大家點樣讀呢啲字咧？嗱，其實好易嘅啫。2.3 million 即係乜嘢咧？即係咁嗱，睇住咯。我哋英文咧係咁計嘅。嗱，呢個數字 OK， 第一個 comma 我哋讀 thousand， 嗱我哋呢個讀音嚟嘅。第二個 comma 我哋叫做 million， 係嘛？好，跟住其實咧呢度仲有嘅，我假設啦，呢度仲有嘅，咁咧 million 呢個咧就係 billion， 得唔得？我假設5啦。得唔得？咁咧，我哋係讀嘅時候係咁讀嘅。第一個係 thousand， 第二個係 million， 第三個係 billion。咁所以你讀呢個數字嘅時候咧，就係 5 billion 122 million 300,000。OK， 好啦，咁如果佢呢度例如 2.3 million 咧，即係咁樣樣嘅啫。OK， 咁咧你就變咗做 2.3 million。OK， 即係呢個係 2,300,000 啦，因為你讀呢個 comma 出嚟嘅啫。嗱，點我教大家一次啊，就係每逢3個 digit 由後數起，就係1點1、2、3呢度點一點，係咪？跟住1、2、3呢度點一點，跟住呢度1、2、3呢度點一點。咁所以咧 total 有3點，第一個點 個名啊，佢個名叫 thousand。第二個點，佢個名叫做 million。佢第三個點，佢個名叫 billion，係咪？好啦，嗱，但係咧，我哋中文係乜嘢啊？個十百千萬十萬百萬千萬一億，係咪？跟住係10億。嗱，但係咧，我哋喺廣東話，我哋英文咧唔講個十百千萬嘅，唔係咁數嘅。我哋直情咧係要用3個點去數嘅啫。咁所以咧，佢每一次如果有人講 2.3 million 咧，你就知道啦。因為 million 呢個字咧係第二點嚟嘅，咁所以你知道接下來仲會有一點，而每一點之間咧係有3個 digit。OK， 咁大家要記住呢個概念啦。好啦，咁你明啦，呢個就係咁樣咯 ，2.3 million 嘛，係咪？即係中文係幾多？個十百千萬十萬百萬。嗱，你而家先至數翻出嚟230萬，係咪？咁 million 嘅中文咧，你可以睇成係百萬咁解，係咪 ？OK， 好，咁而家我哋望到咯，哦，如果而家呢一刻咧就已經印咗230萬個 copies，OK？喺之前嗰2本書已經印咗230萬，咁所以你而家睇到啦，佢呢個 trilogy 呢個3系列咧就有 Hunger Games 啦、Catching Fire 啦，即係之前嗰2個系列啦，同埋 Mockingjay 係嘛？咁我哋就叫佢做 Hunger Games 嘅 trilogy 啦。OK， 好，咁跟住咧繼續講咯，第4段 Collins trilogy。Collins 咧即係Suzanne Collins 呢個人啦，即係呢度啦，係咪？Collins trilogy is only the most visible example of a recent boom in dystopian fiction for young people。你又嚟啦，考評局又考翻同一個字喎 ，fiction 呢度 fiction 其實即係呢度 novel 同一個字，係咪 ？OK，novel 咧一般嚟講係英式英語。OK，fiction 咧係美式英語，不過咧好多時咧我哋都會混埋一齊用嘅，咁而家都冇乜點分噶啦，係咪？Collins trilogy 啦，佢嗰個3系列即係 Hunger Games 嗰個3系列啦 ，is only the most visible example of a recent boom。哦，喺最近嘅大潮流，乜嘢大潮流啊？哦，喺 dystopian fiction。OK， 即係反烏托邦文學嘅大潮流當中咧，佢只係最明顯嘅一個例子啫。咁即係話，原來仲有更加多嘅例子。咁佢呢一句暗示咩咧？總括嚟講，即係話咧，呢一種反烏托邦嘅文學咧，喺最近嚟講咧，係一個 boom， 一個大流行嚟嘅，一個 fashion 嚟嘅，係咪？一個 fashion 嚟嘅。Many of these books come in series，series 係系列啦，係咪？咁一般嚟講，series 係一系列啦，係啦。好多呢啲書咧都一系列咁出嘅。Spinning out，spin 係旋轉啦，係咪 ？Spinning out extended narratives in intricately imagined worlds，產出好多延伸嘅 extended 係延伸嘅一啲嘅narratives 啦，即係一啲情節故事啦，係一啲想像出嚟好複雜、好 intricate 係複雜啦，係咪？好複雜嘅想像出嚟嘅世界 ，OK， 即係話呢一啲 book 咧，呢啲書咧，呢啲嘅所謂嘅反烏托邦文學咧，生產出好多延伸咗好多好複雜嘅想像世界出嚟。In the popular ugly series， 好啦，跟住咧。佢呢度有個例子喎 ，OK，for example 啊嘛，有個例子就係呢個 ugly series 啦。所有16歲嘅小朋友咧都要經歷一場 surgery 係手術係嘛 ？surgery 係手術去 conform to 要學咗佢啦 ，conform to 係服從 ，OK， 服從一組字嚟㗎，得唔得？服從係服從咩啊？一個Universal standard of prettiness， 一個全球都認可嘅對審美嘅一個認可啦。Determined by evolutionary biology， 係被一個進化嘅生物學去認可。OK， 咁即係其實喺度講咩咧？哦，成句係咁嘅。In the popular ugly series, for example, all 16-year-olds undergo surgery to conform to a universal standard of prettiness determined by evolutionary biology. In The Maze Runner, teenage boys awaken all memories of their previous lives wiped clean, and a walled compound surrounded by a monster-filled labyrinth. The books tend to end in cliffhangers that provoke their readers to pose half-mocking protestation of agony on internet discussion boards. 嗱，咁佢成句係講乜嘢咧？成段係講乜嘢咧？佢成段咧其實就係咁嘅意思嘅，即係話咧喺呢個好流行嘅 Ugly series 當中咧，呢啲16歲嘅小朋友咧都要去做手術，嘗試咧去達到一個環球嘅審美標準。咁其中一個例子咧就係 Maze Runner，而呢啲 Maze Runner 咧，呢個第二個例子啊，就係呢啲年青嘅小朋友咧，全部咧清醒咗之後咧都要點啊？都要將佢之前一世嘅記憶抹走，咁要將佢掉入一個充滿住牆壁嘅世界度啦。咁而呢啲世界咧都係有一啲魔鬼嘅迷宮，係啦 ，labyrinth 係個迷宮 ，OK， 充滿住魔鬼嘅迷宮，即係佢會跌有個迷宮度，好辛苦，咁仲要點啊？佢哋前一生嘅記憶全部都 wipe clean， 即係清洗咗佢啦，係咪？好啦，咁呢本書咧就係最後咧就係點樣結束嘅咧？就係有一個 cliffhangers， 嗱，大家要學呢個字啦。cliffhangers 咧即係懸念啊，懸念即係提供一個好易記嘅啫。cliff 係叫咩啊？懸崖峭壁嘛，嗱，呢個懸崖峭壁啦，我當佢咁坑咧，即係掛住喺度啦。嗱，我當呢個人啦，咁一手掛住喺度，咁樣，哎呀，就嚟跌落去啦，咁即係話佢你就會諗佢會唔會跌落去咧？咁呢個懸念啦，呢個字解，即係你就會諗啦，係咪？好啦，咁就會引起到一啲讀者咧，一個叫做咩啊 ？half mocking， 即係mock 係取笑啊嘛，係咪？半取笑、半認真嘅一種抗議嘅態度。of 咩啊 ？agony 係agony 係痛楚啦，係嘛 ？agony 係痛楚。咁即係話咧，哎呀，點解佢度講咩咧？即係話令到啲讀者咧喺度叫苦連天，喺度 protest 即係抗議啦。咁呢個 protestation 即係一路抗議佢，點解你唔快啲話俾我知嗰個 cliffhanger， 即係嗰個結果係點啊？因為嗰啲小朋友被困咗喺呢個咩啊？充滿住魔鬼嘅迷宮度啊嘛。咁你點解你唔話俾我知個結果啊？咁啲人咧就喺個網上面度 protestation of agony， 即係喺個網上面度咆哮啦、大叫啦。咁on internet discussion board。OK， 咁即係啲人咧喺個網上面度喺度話啦，點解你仲唔話俾我知個結果啊？咁而呢一句係咩嚟嘅咧？呢一句咧就係話 Suzanne 記唔記得係邊個 ？Suzanne 就係個作者啊嘛 ，Suzanne 就係呢個Suzanne Collins 嘛，就係 Hunger Games 嘅作者啊嘛。佢就話：喂 Suzanne，are you purposely torturing your fans？ 嗱，佢咩意思咧？呢個咧其實即係嗰啲 internet discussion board 裏邊嘅其中一個例子，就喺網上面啲人咧就喺度大叫啦，就喺度鬧啦。哎呀，呢個你俾咁大嘅懸念我，搞到我要喺個故事結尾咧又唔知個結果，要喺度估啦咁樣。你係咪喺度有意地去折磨我啊？折磨你啲 fans 啊？係嘛？torture 係折磨啊嘛，係咪？torture 係折磨。咁呢個 purposely 咧係有意地、有目的地。喂，我哋學得個字，呢個字好好嘅。如果我哋有意地咧，可以用呢個字深啲嘅 advisedly 係嘛 ？advisedly 嗱，點解深啲咧？作文好好用嘅呢個字 advise 係俾意見嘛。咁如果你加 ed 咧，即係被人賦予意見，跟住再加 ly，OK， 咁即係亦都係呢個 intentionally，OK， 有意地。OK， 有意地，亦即係 advisedly， 亦即係 purposely， 得唔得？有意地Suzanne， 你係咪有意地去折磨你啲 fans 啊？咁樣好啦，咁其實呢度講乜嘢咧？其實呢句嘢咧，佢就俾咗個例子就話：原來呢啲故事真係好好睇噶，好睇到咧有好多懸念喺度，搞到啲人咧就成日上網喺度鬧啦，鬧乜嘢啊？哎呀，點解你仲唔快啲俾個故事嘅結尾我啊？咁樣，雖然agony 咧。係解痛楚，其實佢呢度咧，即係咩意思咧？即係話咧，啲作者咧， 睇呢個小説睇到尾咧，唔知個結果，有好多懸念喺度，咁所以佢哋叫苦連天。但係呢個唔係真係叫苦嘅意思，係解作佢哋好想知道嗰個故事嘅結束。OK，好啦，咁第四、第五段咧，大概係描繪同埋解釋緊點解而家嗰個 dystopian fiction 啦，係嘛 dystopian novel 啦，係會咁流行。